Many South Sudanese people in the capital Juba say they can now only afford one meal a day. The price of food and electricity are up. Petrol used to be less than $1 a liter, but it is now $2 a liter. As a result, transport costs have risen.
One has to leave work early to go home. In my case, I go home on foot because I cannot afford transport fares. I'm left with no option but to risk being fired from the job for leaving early.
South Sudan's government says it has now paid the 6-month civil servants' salary arrears, but that is not helping much.
We believe the current salary structure is not appropriate. It was just done out of necessity, but this is the salary structure is too low. Even the increases cannot even affect the public.
The country's finance ministry says raising salaries for civil servants would mean collection of more taxes. The Revenue Authority says it is working on improving collections. The United Nations says there is an increase in intercommunal skirmishes, natural disasters such as flooding, and the global oil market remains volatile, leading to slowing down economic growth in South Sudan. The country depends significantly on essential commodities imported from neighboring Kenya, Sudan, and Uganda, and there is high demand for hard currency.
Other physical measures like increasing oil productivity. Increasing oil productivity means more foreign currencies coming in, and that will stabilize the rate. We will coordinate closely with the Ministry of Finance and Petroleum.
The landlocked country depends mainly on oil to finance its budget. A reduction in oil output from 185,000 barrels per day